Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this tutorial guide I want to show to you how to grow your own celery, 100% organic guy. You see this all there little brown because orange, lemon, all three citrus they love the same. Celery too, mint. There are 30% the salt mixed with sand. Alright? If you want to do the best of the best garden guy, you gotta be organized, you have to be clean. In this case you're gonna need a tape measure guy. Alright? And you need a trowel. Always safety first. You're gonna need a cushion to nail down. You have no choice guys, you need to nail down. Alright? You see where I germinate the seeds, they need to separate guy. Alright? Look. You're gonna measure it here like this every 5 inches. Alright? You measure it here 5 inches. Alright? And you measure 5 inches there. Alright, okay? And then you take your measure like this guy. Alright, look, you do a little hole like this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Alright? And then you're going to do the same story like this. Alright? 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Alright guys? You wanna do your life the best of the best? Look. Celery, the best of the best vegetable we have guys. Look. You see what you saw there? They don't wanna get big guys. You need to separate. Alright? You do very little pressure guys. Alright? Look. Eat celery guy. That's the best of the best meal you can have guy. You can do it in the oven. You can boil it. You can have a nice salad. You can have a nice milkshake. I believe we do things to live like long and healthy, right? Right here the key guy. Alright. Look how wonderful this thing looks now. Alright. Will you please try to eat healthy guy? Alright. Let me continue to finish. I want to show to you. And I finish guys. Ladies and gentlemen, grown celery is very easy guys. And no matter what part of the world you are, America, Africa, Japanese, all these islands down there, grown celery, you can grow celery 12 months of a year, no matter what weather you have, freezing, hot. You just need to say water guy. This moment to the next 10 days, you have to give me water every day. Alright? And the secret is right here guy. Look. You not go too deep in here. Human beings need to breathe, right? Nice air. We are what we breathe. If we breathe garbage, we are garbage. You breathe clean air, you interior clean. Same here, guy. You go too deep here, she no breathe, she no gonna grow fast, and she no be healthy, right? She gonna be sick. Right here, guy. No go deep in here and no go too low. Figure out this is the heart, right? You just need to be covered right here, guy. right here, all right? You do a little pressure. You may water every day during the next 10 days, guys. And you have your holy vegetable, holy medicine, guys. Celery, together with the beet and lemon and mint, guys. There is no other medicine in this world. If no doctor can tell me I am wrong. Celery and beet, garlic and lemon. You can have your holy medicine free, easy, and 100% organic. Nobody puts your hand on your life, guy. Right here, guy. This is the heart, alright? Don't go too deep and not go too low. Right here, you just gotta cover right here. Alright? Because you need to breathe. Alright, guy. I do appreciate you enjoy this tutorial and help you. I want you to live your life clean and live 200 years, guy. And no matter if you are homeless or you are a billionaire, live life clean and healthy. This is my wish to anyone. Thank you for watching the video. God bless all of you. Hasta la vista, baby. And be safe there, alright, when you kneel down there. People go to the hospital, them and the muscle, kneel down on the concrete. Be careful, alright? God bless you, guys.